Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to get personal loan from Chase Bank. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So, here's the first thing you need to know. Chase Bank no longer offers personal loans. That's right. As of now, they shifted focus to other types of lending products like credit cards, home equity loans, and auto financing. But don't worry, you've still got options. Option number one is using a Chase credit card. If you're looking for flexibility when borrowing money, a credit card might be a good alternative to a personal loan. For example, you could go for the Chase Freedom Unlimited if you want a cashback option. Or if you travel a lot, Chase Sapphire Preferred might be a better fit for those points and perks. Both can give you access to funds, and as long as you manage your balance and pay off your debt responsibly, it works similarly to a loan. Now let's talk about applying. For a credit card or HELOC, you can apply directly on the Chase website. So here's what you'll do. Go to the Chase website, select the product you're interested in, and hit apply now. For credit cards, it's very straightforward. Fill in the personal info, check your credit, and submit your application. For HELOC, you'll have to submit more detailed financial info since it's tied up to your home. Alright, before you apply for anything, always check your credit score. Typically, for Chase products, you'll want a good to excellent credit score, which means somewhere around 700 or higher. If your credit isn't quite there yet, don't worry. There are many ways to improve it, like paying down debt, deputing errors on your report, and keeping your credit utilization low. So, to wrap up everything, Chase may not offer traditional personal loans anymore, but with their credit cards and HELOCs, you still have options to borrow money when you need it. Just make sure you check your credit score and gather the necessary documents before you apply. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.